South Korea, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, and the Kingdom of Thailand. We hope to see you again from time to time, everywhere in the world. We can create a friendship, understanding, and peace for all.
And faith for religious culture, regards to the latest creation. We get together for civilization, share love and peace to all. We shout out to our friends to remind them of love and friendship. Happiness will exist and peace will last forever till the day we meet again. Till the day we meet Thailand live. Till the day we meet Thailand live.
Attention please, you still remain on stage and we will take a photo together with the monks.